This video covers information about some special editing on some pages that I've done, just so that if someone edits these particular pages, they understand how they work. The first one is actually the home page. If you go edit on the home page, you'll notice that it all looks very basic and not very much like the home page at all. That's because the blocks underneath it about upcoming events and recent news and recent images, etc., are all done by the blocks function in Drupal. That means that they're automatically added to the front page and are not part of the actual text that consists of the front page. What this means is that all you're really changing is the top half of the front page, which is the bit about the welcome text. You'll also notice that there's no picture in this particular table here. The reason is that I've put a special code extract in there that allows you to selects one of 4 random front page images. For the sake of this, I'll switch to what's called a plain text editor. You can see that there's this funny bit of code here, and that's what actually controls the front page images. If you want to change one of the front page images, you can do that by using the FTP program and add a new front page 1.jpg file in the site's default files random images directory. This is all documented in the web instructions or web development guide that I've given the school. But I guess what I really want to say is don't change anything in this left hand column. If you want to change anything, just change the text in this right hand column here. The other pages that are a bit different are the programs pages. When you view them, you'll see there's a menu on the left and some information on the right. If you edit those pages, they're very similar to the home page in that you'll see the text in the right hand column you can edit, but in the left hand column there's a code extract which forms that menu. So same deal, don't touch anything in the left hand column on any of these program pages. That's the band, the sports, the HSIE pages, any of those pages in the program menu. Just use change the text in the right hand column. If you're going to add images, add them in the right hand column as well. The other pages that are special, the contact us page, you'll see that when you actually bring that page up, you get a map down here of where the school is. That map comes from the school, the DET site. When you edit that page, however, you'll only see the top half. You won't actually see the map. That's because it's also done as a special Drupal block. The formatting on this page is controlled through a table. So if you need to change anything, I would suggest you preserve the table, you change the text that you need to change, add the hyperlinks or the email addresses as appropriate, and then save the page. The rest of the pages, some like this calendar module, are derived directly from the Drupal calendar module. There isn't the ability to edit this directly. You can certainly add events to it using the Manage JPPS menu, but as I said, you can't change anything on this particular page here. I think that's about it for the special tables with things embedded in them. I guess the other one to mention is the photo galleries page. You can't edit this either. This is automatically generated from a list of all available photo galleries. So you add photo galleries and they get added to here, or you delete photo galleries and they get taken away from here. So as I said, it's a special page that gets generated. So as I said, that's probably about it for pages. The rest of them seem to be editable. The general rule is, I guess, as long as there's an edit button here, you can change the content of this page. The main thing to remember is don't change any of the special fields that I've highlighted in here. All right, thank you.